loves to be seen. C is for cat with a soft little purr. D is for dog with a happy tail blur. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fox, who sneaks away. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for horse with thundering feet. I is for iguana, climbing with grace. J is for jaguar, quick in a race. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for newt, so low to the ground. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, dressed in white. Q is for quail, quiet and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger with stripes that show. U is for Uriel, wild and strong. V is for vulture, soaring long. W is for whale, deep in the sea. X is for Xerus, in a tree. E is for alligator. Y is for yak, furry and bold. Z is for zebra, striped and cold. Y